What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing something crazy on the Poco F6 and Redmi Turbo 3, the latest ColorOS custom ROM. And trust me, this one completely transforms the device. In this video, I'm giving you a full step-by-step guide on how to install it properly and safely. So if you've been waiting to try ColorOS on your Poco F6, this is it. Let's get started. All right, first things first, power off your device completely. Now, press and hold the power button plus volume down at the same time until you see the Fastboot logo pop up. Once you're in Fastboot mode, grab your USB cable and connect your phone to your PC. Easy. On your PC, download the ColorOS custom ROM zip file. Once that's done, extract the file to your desktop so everything's easy to access. After extraction, look for this file. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. A command prompt window will pop up. When prompted, simply type Y and press Enter to begin flashing. Important reminder, this process will completely wipe your internal storage, so make sure you back up everything before doing this. Now just sit back and relax. Flashing may take a few minutes depending on your PC speed, so maybe grab a coffee or just watch the progress. Once the flashing is complete, the command prompt will automatically close. Your device will automatically reboot into the system. No extra steps needed. see the welcome screen, congratulations, just set it up like a brand new phone. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the latest ColorOS custom ROM on your Poco F6 or Redmi Turbo 3. And honestly, the UI feels smooth, animations are clean, and it gives your device a totally different vibe. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more ROM installs and tech content. Drop a comment if you want a full review of this build. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.